children, welcome back in social study class. Today we will continue our previous chapter, that is the Himalayas abode of snow. But before starting our today class, let us take a quick recap of previous work. We have learned that the Himalayan range covers the entire northernmost part of India from Jammu and Kashmir to the northeastern state Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayas stretch to about 2,400 kilometers, passing through northern India, southern China, Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan. Their width varies from 150 to 400 kilometers. The Himalayas have three ranges. Number one, Himadri, the Greater Himalayas. Number two, Himachal, the Middle Himalayas. Number three, Shivalik, the Lesser Himalayas. The Himalayan region are divided into Western Himalayas, Central Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, and they cover the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, and the northeastern state of Sikkim, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh. Let us see how the mountains affect the lives of the people in this area. The lifestyle and culture of the people of this region differ from state to state due to varied landforms and climatic conditions. People wear warm clothing, mostly made up of wool and silk, which keep them comfortable in the cold weather. Agriculture, animal rearing, and handicraft are the main occupations of the people of this region. People in the hilly areas of the mountains depend upon the forest product for their living. Jammu and Kashmir is a beautiful state. तभी तो कहा गया है बच्चों, धरती पर अगर कहीं स्वर्ग है तो यही है, यही है, यही है. The people of Jammu and Kashmir are known as Kashmiris. They speak Kashmiri, Dogri, Ladakhi, and Urdu. Their traditional dress is a long cloak called firan. During winter, they keep themselves warm by using a clay pot filled with burning coal. They fix this clay pot inside a cane basket and wear it inside their dress. This is called a kangri. Their staple food is rice. They grow green tea on the mountain slopes. आपको पता है ना आजकल ग्रीन टी कितनी फेमस है? And make a special kind of tea known as kahwa. People of Jammu and Kashmir are very good at handicraft. Kashmiri woolen carpet and shawls are world famous. What a beautiful state! Majority of the inhabitants of Himachal Pradesh are tribals. They rear sheep for wool. Women wear kurtas with long skirts or chudidar and cover their heads with scarf called daju. Men wear pajamas, kurtas and caps designed with colorful borders called Himachali cap. Shimla is the state capital. Dashera is the main festival here. People love to visit hill stations like Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali, especially during the summer. Dear student, this is also known as mini Switzerland. Sikkim is sandwiched between the two countries Nepal and Bhutan and crowned by Tibet on top. Hence the people of Sikkim belong to three main tribes: Lepchas, Bhutias and Nepalis. The women wear long skirts called boku and kurtas with colorful bead jewelry. The state of Uttarakhand was formed out of the state of Uttar Pradesh with Dehradun as its capital. The state has a number of popular hill stations such as Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet. Other places of tourist interest include Haridwar, Har Har Gange, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. Kolkata is the capital of this eastern state. Darjeeling is an important hill station located in West Bengal. It is known for its tea garden which produce high quality tea. बेटा टी तो हम सब पीते हैं ना? Dear children, did you know West Bengal is in the east of India but has West in its name because Bengal was partitioned at the time of India's independence when we got the independence, and the eastern part of Bengal is now Bangladesh. The Bengali proverb Baro Mase Tero Barban 13 festivals in 12 months indicate the abundance of festivity in this state. Purvanchal Himalayas include seven states that are known as Seven Sisters. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. The people here weave beautiful woolen garments. The people of Nagaland were mostly hunters. Now, agriculture and forestry are the main occupation of the people there. Farming is the main occupation of the people along the Brahmaputra Valley. Tea is the principal crop grown here. That's all for today's session. Go through this work once again as it will help you to all to solve worksheet given along with this work.